guys, and I'm opening up My Little Pony Squishy Pops from Tech for Kids. And Buzz Lightyear is gonna help us open it today. And I'm gonna open it now. Buzz, you wanna help me? Yes, I do, but and quick. Yeah, it's not strong yet. Don't worry, I will do it. And you do the rest. And how does that go? How does that feel like? Feel like it was? I do it this way. What do you think I get, Buzz? Buzz? What is the favorite spot for? I'm trying to open this. Here's my first baggie. My white baggie. And the white baggie. What do you think I get, guys? Oh, I got the little one this time. I got the little one this time. Oh, it's Applejack's! Yay! Yeah! This is like a got Pinkie Pie. Got Pinkie Pie, got Pinkie Pie. Got Applejack, got Applejack. Got Applejack. Got the chain. Got the chain right here. I got a chain bracelet. And here's my chain bracelet. Oh no, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. Oh, we don't need to get down. It's not way down under my table. I got it already. It's on my chair. Yeah, it's Applejack's apples. And the fashion pack. Got that one. Rainbow glass. Yeah. This bus is not gonna do meow. Oh, stop, Elmo. Stop, Elmo. Stop, Elmo. This big fish is not gonna catch me, Elmo. Sorry. Let's open the cat wax. Look at the bracelet. It has rainbow dust here. Here's a tail. And squishy. And it's cute. And this is a jaw. And this is the trunk. It has a rainbow on it. There's a cloud on it. It has rainbow glass on it. It has red on it and green on it and yellow on it and green on it and purple on it and blue on it. There we go. This is the bracelet and this is the bracelet and it's so cute. You can attach it on. That rainbow dust to take it out. Could slide out and she's squishy. And just sticks to your chain. Oh no, I dropped the chain. But that's okay. I could start to enjoy her chain. Hey, come on, the stick. I think you should. It pops when you pull it off. Ooh, you can't put your germs on your bracelet. Can you get... so you can add more. See, look. This is my review of the My Little Pony Squishy Pops from Tick for Kids. If you love My Little Pony, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please comment below.